Brian back with another Nvidia update. All right, I'm going to break down this chart a little bit here to show you guys what I believe is going on here. Okay, first off, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research when investing your own money, and please don't listen to anybody but a legal person that is qualified to give you advice like that. All right, here we go. First off, this first set of waves we had, this is Nvidia on the daily. All right, if we take a trend-based Fibonacci extension on this thing, put it on here, okay, pull it across, this thing tapped out. Okay, this thing got pretty much a full extension in here. Okay, so that thing worked out perfectly there. Okay, then in here you can see what this downtrend here, what it ended up being actually. All right, if we measure this out, okay, you could put a Fibonacci on top here. All right, that came right up to that 702, okay, retracement, which is typical for an ABC. All right, if we pull this top down, put it on top of there, you can see perfectly we had an ABC come in here. Okay, so let's get that out of there. Let's list this right here. There's a 1-for-1 ratio, an AB and a C. Okay, then this thing came down a little bit further actually and rode this out. Now we're over in this part. From here back, nothing means anything. Okay, that's all over with and done. All right, now we're looking for somewhere for this top to come in on this thing. All right, so once again, if we take a trend-based extension, we use this as a wave 1 to the top to the retrace. All right, where are we at with this thing? All right, we're just about, could it have tapped out here? This goes up to a 4.236 extension is $475. All right, it got a high of what was it, $439.90, 440 bucks. All right, so that could be it. All right, what looks like ended up playing out here was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Could we have one little push up here? You could, but if you're going with this trend-based extension, if you are, is it worth the risk of that? Okay, now let's look at the RSIs. All right, the daily, the relative strength index is coming down on the daily. All right, you can see that down here. It's at a 15 and a 31. All right, if we go on these time frames, the 12-hour is coming down. It's bearish. The 8-hour is coming down and bearish, even though we have a green candle in here. The 4-hour, is, until it loads up here, I apologize, having some bad storms where I'm at today. There we go. The 4-hour is actually coming up. Okay, so we're going to come up here. Best thing I would do, if you're charting this thing, is I would put a trend line on here and keep a close eye on this thing, see if you get the breakout or the rejection right there. Okay, could come right up to that trend line and roll over. All right, the 4-hour is coming up. The 1-hour is just about at the top. The one that concerns me is right here. Okay, the weekly's at the top and it's bearish. Okay, it's in an 88 and a 91. It's been at the top for some time. It got, holy cow, the whole way since November, it has been at the top, corrected somewhat, went back to the top, small correction, went back to the top again. All right, so this thing is due for, obviously it's due for a pullback. Okay, to me personally, if I was in on this coin, if that trend-based extension is telling me the top, with a full extension is right there. Okay, if I take this off here, all right, and I'm looking at the RSIs and everything else, me personally, I would be questioning if it's time to sell or not. Okay, a trend-based extension, that's exactly right. Okay, so if we take what it looks like came in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and your 5th wave blow off. Okay, 4th waves are usually deeper. Okay, that's the only thing that got me a little bit confused here. But as strong as this coin's been, and the volume, we do have some decreasing volume coming in now too, which makes me, you have some sellers stepping in over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 out of 5 weeks have been red. Okay, there's more sellers than buyers in here, so it's not only me that has put that trend-based extension on there and think it's due for a possible correction here. A lot of other people are thinking that also. Okay, this thing's had a heck of a run. Not saying it's over at all, but I believe an ABC should come in here, a correction, and then if it's going to start another 5 waves up, the monthly. Let's take a look at the monthly RSI. You know, it's just about at the top. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4. That could have been a 5th wave blow off there. All right, if we take everything off here, look at that. That is a typical 5 wave structure. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3. Your big 4th wave pullback right here didn't go below 1. Your 4th wave pullback right here. And your 5th wave top. Okay, to me personally, looks like the thing's about tapped out for now. Okay, I would expect a big ABC to come in here, a correction, a pullback for some time. My opinion, please consult professionals on that, but this thing has had a really nice run. You know, to me it looks like could be the top for now. So if you would, please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate that so very much, guys, and everybody have a fantastic night, and God bless all of you. Thanks a lot for watching.